Hey y'all, welcome to Paula's Kitchen. We're still quarantining it, but thank goodness we're able to be together now as we ease back into life, whatever normal life is. But anyway, I want to share with them a recipe that I used to make when the boys were little fellas. And they loved it, and it was quick, easy, delicious, and cheap. And I called them mayonnaise biscuits. But in my very first cookbook, I named them easy rolls, and I don't know why.
Because they are easy.
And they are, yes, they're easy.
I mean, this stuff you usually have.
And
so,
yeah, and I don't remember my kids ranting and raving over them. But I found out just in the last few years that Nita, our precious Nita at the restaurant, would make these mayonnaise biscuits for Jamie. And Jamie begs Nita, please make me the mayonnaise biscuits. And I had no idea that.
Oh, you didn't know?
No, I didn't know she was making them. You know, for the team members. You know, when they'd come in early and they were hungry. All right, so all we're using is self-rising flour, and this is 1 cup, so it's not gonna make very many. And I've got, how much sugar?
A tablespoon.
Okay, we're gonna mix that in there.
Half a cup of milk.
And
Just whole milk?
Yeah. All right, now I don't know what Nita does. She may use buttermilk, I don't know. But, all right, so I'm just gonna mix that together. And I'm going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. And the mayonnaise takes the place of butter or solid shortening. I mean, this ain't going to make 3 muffins. I don't know why I did so few.
Yeah, that's what the recipe says.
I know, and I don't know why I did it that way. I can't figure that out.
All right, there were 3 of y'all. Bobby, Jamie, and Mama.
No. Okay, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise.
And that's it.
And I always bake them, Susan, in muffin tins. But now Nita makes hers just like a biscuit, you know. All right, so I'm going to find that ice cream scooper again. And I greased our muffin tins.
Correctly
So,
this time.
yeah, so hopefully.
Yep, that's Nita.
Yep. Yeah. You
Drag it up the side.
Uh-huh. Oh, well, maybe we're going to be able to get 4.
Well, those muffin tins are big.
Yes.
Those are the giant ones.
Yes. That is it, y'all. For you folks out there that say you can't make a biscuit, yes, you can. You can make you a biscuit.
The mayonnaise biscuit. But just
That-
don't tell anybody what's in it.
Oh, well.
I mean, you know, if they
I,
ask.
I'm not ashamed of any of the ingredients
Oh,
in
I'm
it.
not either, but I like them to think I spent a long time doing it.
You know, if it's good, they'll think that. Okie doke. That's it. In the oven
350?
at 350 for, how long does it say?
Until they're brown.
That's my first cookbook, y'all. That's the way I wrote the recipes. That's why I had to rewrite that cookbook, and it took me 3 months to write the cookbook and a year to rewrite it properly. You know, throw the bones in the pot and cover with water.
How much water to the bones?
I don't know. I didn't tell you.
I did just the pot.
Okay.
Okay.
Teal brown. All right, the easy rolls or the mayonnaise muffins or mayonnaise biscuits is what I call them. They're ready. They've been in there, what, 15 to 20 minutes? I'd say 15.
Said baked till brown.
Yes. Oh my goodness. I sprayed up the whole tin so I can't turn it upside down or that all would go everywhere. So, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. All right, it's where I cut it and the crust came off
They
of
put a
it.
prize in there. How do you do those muffins where they put the jelly in there?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Squirt it
Yeah.
with the.
Yeah, you have to make a hole in it. All right. These are the easiest little biscuits, y'all, to make. They're so delicious. And
You want to taste?
like I said, if you think you can't make a biscuit, I'm here to argue with you on that, sister, because you can, or brother. Whoever does the cooking in your house.
No
Magic.
I've
Magic.
never tried these.
You've never?
Mm-mm.
It's
I
more
see
of
it,
a-
honey. Try them, try them,
Oh.
try them. Love and best dishes.